here to persuade people to drink more Wilkins coffee.
What's the club for?
You know, people who don't drink Wilkins coffee just blow up sometimes.
Oh, that's a lot of...
Boy, this hammer reminds me of Wilkins coffee.
Why?
Because it always hits the spot. I can get you Wilkins coffee for a price.
I wouldn't touch it. I've got 5 aces. Can you beat that?
I've got a can of Wilkins coffee.
Nothing beats Wilkins.
You have any Wilkins coffee in your house?
No.
You know, a house isn't a home without Wilkins coffee. Any last requests, like for a cup of Wilkins coffee?
No.
You don't drink Wilkins?
No.
How shocking. This machine tells if you're a good guy or a bad guy.
How?
All good guys drink Wilkins instant coffee.
Wilkins makes good coffee. Better coffee. Wilkins makes the best coffee.
Congratulations.